Sand text effect in IbisPaintx. I saw this sand effect Photoshop pic on Pinterest, so I thought, why not do it in IbisPaintx? First, open a canvas with black background. Now add a text. Now tap on FX, tap Rasterize, yes, Blur, Frosted Glass Moving Radius 53 pixels, Direction 180. Now tap on this plus icon to add a new layer. Use a brush to put dots according to the text and the way you want the effect behind the text like this. Now select this dots layer and tap on FX. Go to Style, tap on God Rays, and adjust scale as you want. Go to Artistic and tap on Glitch and adjust the scale as you wish. Now tap on this Move Layer option. Now tap on the Mesh Form option. By using these blue dots, adjust the shape to an S form or to the form you want. Now select this shape layer and go to Blur and tap on Frosted Glass Normal and adjust the layer as shown in the picture or as you want. Now again reshaping the dots layer by using the Move Layer option. Cause it wasn't in the shape I wanted. Now select the shape layer that we create now and go to FX and go Artistic and tap on Glitch option and adjust the scale as you want. Now go to Adjust Color and tap on Color Balance. Set the scale for your liking and the color that you want. Now duplicate the shape. Tap on Normal and set layers. One is overlay and the other one as color dodge. Now select the first shape layer and go to FX and choose Frosted Glass Moving. Add a new empty layer and choose the brush that is shown in the pic. Use the brush in the new empty layer on top of text that we created and clip it to the text layer that we first created. That's it. The sand text effect was done. Do the shape and scale adjust as you want, but the process is a must to get the sand effect. Even though it wasn't as great as the Photoshop effect, it was good in its own way.